Attention, it is. Attention, start the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Ready for the pledge. Start the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Ready for the Constitution of India. Start the Constitution. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly this 26th of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind. Please sit down. General knowledge. Our school, our village, our taluka, our district, our state, our country, our national flower, our national bird, our national fruit, our national animal, main directions, east, west, south, north. Ready for the prayer. Start the prayer.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हर तरफ जुल्म है, बेबसी है, सहमा सहमा शहर आदमी है। पाप का बोझ बढ़ता ही जाए, जाने कैसे ये धरती थमी है। बोझ ममता से तू ये उठा ले, तेरी रचना का ही अंत होगा। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम अंधेरे में है रोशनी दे, खो न दे खुद को ही दुश्मनी से। हम सजा पाए अपने किए की, मौत भी हो तो सहले खुशी से। कल जो गुजरा है फिर से न गुजरे, आने वाला वो कल ऐसा होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर हो।
Students, as you know that in our school, Jilla Parishad Primary School Tupdi, a 100-day reading campaign is going on. So today I am going to read a short passage about Savitribai Phule. Please listen and read after me. Savitribai Jyotiba Phule was a social reformer who, along with her husband Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, played an important role in improving women's rights in India during the British rule. Savitribai was the first female teacher of the first women's school in India and also considered as the pioneer of modern Marathi poetry. In 1852, she opened a school for untouchable girls. Mahatma Jyotiba is regarded as one of the most important figures in social reform movement in Maharashtra and India. He is most known for his efforts to educate women and the lower castes. Jyotirao, then called as Jyotiba, was Savitribai's mentor and supporter. Under his influence, Savitribai had taken women's education and their liberation from the cultural patterns of the male-dominated society as mission of her life. She worked towards tackling some of the then major social problems, including women's liberation, widow remarriages, and removal of untouchability. Thank you.